Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. If you're looking for some ideas on something a little different to do with pinto beans, I have some suggested food or flavor combinations that are known to work well with pinto beans. So hopefully this will help you out. You can combine pinto beans with chilies and sage. How about pinto beans with chili powder and cumin? That works well. How about pinto beans with cilantro, liquid smoke, and onions? Or pinto beans with cumin, garlic, onions, and quinoa for something different. How about pinto beans with oregano, sage, and thyme? Do give these a try sometime. Let me know how it works for you. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.